Go ahead, Lucas.
Well, you have to close your eyes again every time.
Oh, we gotta close our eyes.
Every time we have school, you have to close your eyes. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And the landscape art will be over tomorrow, and then it will be Scape art.
Okay, go, Lucas. Show us, buddy. Oh, tell us about your drawing. Where's the waterfall? Where's the waterfall? Okay. And what is surrounding the waterfall? Are they rocks? Are they mountains?
Stones.
Stones. Okay, very good. Anything else that you added to that drawing? You have stones, waterfalls.
Well, sometimes I add designs with watercolors. You cannot see the watercolors. Well, let me show you the watercolors. And to that.
Okay, that's what you're using. Beautiful colors.
Yeah,
nice. Yeah, you can definitely add if you want to.
Yeah, there are watercolors. See?
I'm going to add birds.
Sure.
Yeah.
Very nice, Lucas.
And Will.
And then, teacher.
And Will.
Okay, hang on.
May I have the brush, please? And Will, there's a purple brush. Look at the brush. The brush is awesome.
I have
See?
And you dip it in water, right? You dip it in water so that when you use the next color, it's a clean brush.
Watch me.
Okay, go ahead and add some more, Lucas. No problem to add. I'm going to go to Thiago because we have to catch him before the session ends so that he can also